everyone and welcome back to my channel. The Trains poem, composed by James Tippett, is a beautiful piece in which the poet expresses the usefulness of trains in our lives. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here comes the train, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all running on, through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here comes the train.